about this slime tire sealant. So I can explain my brief information about this slime tire sealant. Imagine you will never worrying about punctures or any leaks again, because this is a revolutionary formula that can instantly repair to your tire puncture I mean. And it can easily also on the spot you can repair to your tire puncture. So with this line you can enjoy your smooth ride. Gab. You can enjoy your smooth ride, and also you can save your time, and also you can save your money. So we have each of the bottle we have a set. So as you can see, it's only a bottle, but it has a set. So as you can see here, there is a tube. This is a set of this bottle, and also there is a tool. This one is a tools that can help for you to use this kind of sealant. So how to use? You should remove this cap. This is the tool cap that can help you to remove the core valve. So in that core valve, when you are removing, you are using this cap. This is the tool of that core valve to put this cube inside in that pin of your tire, so that you can insert this slime. So each of the slime, it has each of the tire, it has an amount, how much the ounces you need to put or refill in your tire. So in the small tire, it is also easy for you, because it is showing here in the label that there is a small tire, it is consume like 8 ounce, and the next tire it's like 16 ounce, and so on. Like the big tire, it consumes 16 ounce also. So this, as you can see, the blue color, it's prevent and repair flat tires. It's also the same with this one, but this one is for a small tire only. As you can see, there is for the working in the garden, also in the bike. Also, you can use for this one. So you can finish this whole bottle. And also the red one, as you can see, there is red color. So this is for bicycle or for your motor. And also there is also, it's written here how much the consume of the tire. So this, it's written here, the bicycle is 8 ounce, and you can see here also which tire you can use from the red one. And also for the yellow one, it is also the same, but it's only different, like emergency flat tire repair. Also you can see this is for car and for the trailer use. And you can see also the ons here, how much you need to put or to give. So each of them you can buy also one, so 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 also. So you can buy this 2-in-1, and also it's showing here the ounces, how much you need to put. The components of this sealant, it has a water 6% to 94%. No, 6% to 64%, and also it has the ethylene glycol, they call it glycol, it has 6% to 94%. So more on ethylene glycol. And it has also the ground rubber, it is 0.1% to 5%. And also it has a cellulosic thickener. That's why it's coming to be a thicker, because of these components. So there is also a corrosion inhibitor, and also there is alkali metal nitrate and alkali metal what is this, carbonate in these components. And it is made of with a thick gel like a base using for a long stand fiber. So it's a bearing types. It's mixed tire sealant, chunky, while the gel base is gooey and clingy. Clings to your tire and to your rim tire. So that is my brief information about this slime tire sealant. So do you have any question and suggestion and modification and also for your model? Your information?
It's used inside. How to use exactly?
The chemical how you put?
How's the way you will put it in the
First, in the wheels, in the wheel.
outside?
Yeah, outside.
So we will try to detect where is the leakage or
No.
or you will
First,
put inside the
you-
valve too.
First, you put there is a pin on the
Yeah,
wheel.
the thing.
So you put a little up, then just remove the valve by this, then put this tube,
Direct.
let the air out and put this tube. Then in this tube you can put this one, and how much ons you need to put.
Then you
Depends
close,
on the
then you
tire.
fill the air again.
And then in that ons, then it can you can run your tire
So
and
it will spread.
yeah.
Okay.
That
After
is-
that, I
no,
can fill the
after
air
that
directly?
you put again the valve, you close, and then no, before you close your valve, I think you put little air.
Okay. Little,
Then
not full.
close the valve again, then let it run.
Do we need to fill the air fully after some time? Or
No,
directly
no, no, no need
leave
to
it
leave
10,
it,
10
yeah.
minutes, 15 minutes
No need, sir.
to be dry or something?
No need. Just
Directly we can fill the air?
directly. Yup. Question, Paul?
What's the difference of tubeless and non-tubeless tire?
Tubeless? There is a tubeless here.
Yes, we have four tubeless.
Tanong pa mo.
May tubeless ba dito? Puro naman
Yes.
yung may tubo. Huh?
May tubeless sa wheel, di ba?
We have four different.
If tubeless, then you can put this one direct. Put
No,
it
there
in
is
the
difference.
ons, then put it direct.
There's difference for tube and non-tubeless.
Meron ba dito?
That one it's 2 in 1, right? So that one is for tubeless and for non-tubeless.
Okay.
There is one for tubeless and there is one for non-tubeless.
I can start this one.
Search ko yan.
What else? Okay, tell
Question,
me the
question.
answer for that phone.
I already
Huh?
I already told you that.
Looks like avocado juice. Sick.
Do you have that answer?
Avocado juice.
Tubeless?
Skumpiyado.
See, it's color coded, right? So what's their difference?
The difference is the yellow is the car we're using, and the red is the bicycle, and this one is for the small tire. That is the
There's
purpose
a
of that
difference
color
in
coding.
there's a difference in viscosity.
सबसे जब मैं उसका इसमें था ना 1 महीना मेरे को पीस था कि
Only the
वो
difference is
एडिशनल
the
डालेगा नहीं
amount of
प्रेशर
the
नहीं करता है
ounces
बट
you
ये
use to the tire.
में ज़्यादा करता है
Juice sour.
Usually where they use this one? Usually where they use those slime gel.
When you are traveling and there is some puncture that happens, then instantly you can repair your tire.
Only 4 tires.
Yeah. How long? It can consume like 50 to 100 miles, almost 3 days. Then you can go to your garage for your safe, and it should be repaired.
What will happen?
Temporary solution.
Yeah.
Not the permanent solution.
No. It can help so you also, sir. Even you are maybe you are on the road and you
For
are very far.
emergency, it will give you maybe 1-2 days, but in the end you need to go to the
Garage.
garage
Yeah.
to fix.
Is there a size for hole that can
At least you have time.
puncture that one?
Sir,
There's a size
size for what?
for hole that it can cover?
Yeah, there is 16 mm, 1.6 mm. More than that, you cannot cure. You cannot cure in this.
What will happen after 3 days?
After
Inside the
3 days,
just like
they
inside
will,
the wheel.
The garage will
Remove. It will not
repair
melt
that
inside the ano.
entire.
Ah,
But if it's as you said, it's a big hole, you need to replace your tire.
Right.
mm,
No need to repair. Replace it a new one.
What if it's tubeless?
Hindi ko na pagkakaroon yun.
Oo nga, pag tubeless siya.
What if for tubeless? Can I change the car? Can I change the wheels? The tire?
Okay lang yun, di ba?
Yeah, you need to change because
No, it's okay.
you cannot stay that sealant inside the tube.
Change?
You cannot repair.
Repair?
Repair. You cannot repair it. So you need to change all.
Okay.
Ha?
You need to change
Search ko nga. I-search ko nga yan.
the tube.
Not change the tire.
The tube. Yeah, this product is made originally in USA. Okay. You have any question, sir? Sir? Question ng question kasi hindi naman makasagot. Yeah, I know you know more.
Ready?
So, for you, bebe?
Wala pa.
That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't
Name one
forget